I was looking for an opportunity really to get back to the things that I was passionate about. I've been with the organisation now for 2 years. So I chair the Housing and Criminal Justice Committee. My housing experience has given me a lot of expertise around regulation and legislation, and I've operated at a kind of senior management level for quite a long time now. So in terms of strategy and that kind of overall big picture stuff, that was something I'm able to contribute to. The most surprising thing, how big it is. I hadn't understood exactly, the breadth of support that Nacro provides.
Where would you like to see Nacro in another 60 years?
Helping more people, not having to worry about housing provision. We've got a housing crisis, but I really wish that wasn't such a massive obstacle for a lot of the people that we help. I've heard some fairly shocking statistics recently. 52% of people in care will have a criminal record by the time they're 25. How are we helping people to make better decisions and have better opportunities? It's knowing that we have such a positive influence on our service users. What we do is so worthwhile, and I've heard that from the mouths of service users. We're not only changing people's lives, we are influencing policy going forward. We are hopefully making things better for future generations as well as people that are impacted today.
Describe Nacro in one word.
Brilliant.